Hey there, future real estate moguls. Ready to take control of your financial destiny? Ever dreamed of financial freedom, a secure future, and maybe even early retirement? Imagine waking up each day knowing your investments are working for you. Well, real estate investing could be your golden ticket. It's a proven path to building wealth and achieving your financial goals. It's not just for your parents' generation anymore. Millennials are jumping on board, and for good reason. The opportunities are vast, and the potential is enormous. Real estate offers tangible assets, potential for passive income, and long-term appreciation. It's a solid foundation for your financial future. It's about building wealth, one brick at a time. Each investment is a step towards financial independence. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to kickstart your real estate investment journey. From understanding market trends to making smart investment choices, we'll explore different investment avenues, the power of technology in modern real estate, and tips for navigating the market like a pro. You'll learn how to leverage tools and resources to maximize your returns. Get ready to unlock the exciting world of real estate investing and pave your way to financial success. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Millennials, you're in a prime position to conquer the real estate world. Why? You're tech-savvy, adaptable, and driven by creating a better future. These qualities are invaluable in the ever-evolving landscape of real estate. Your familiarity with technology gives you an edge. From online property platforms to virtual tours, technology simplifies the research and transaction process. Plus, your comfort with digital tools opens doors to innovative investment options like crowdfunding. Moreover, millennials are known for their entrepreneurial spirit and desire for financial independence. Real estate investing aligns perfectly with these aspirations, offering the potential for passive income and long-term wealth creation. Embrace your strengths, millennials, and watch your real estate dreams take flight. Ready to take the plunge? It's exciting, but choosing the right strategy is crucial. Don't worry, we'll break down the options to find your perfect fit. First, consider your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Are you looking for passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Next, explore the various avenues available. Buying your primary residence, becoming a landlord, or venturing into REITs and crowdfunding are just a few possibilities. Each comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to choose a strategy that aligns with your individual circumstances and goals. For many, buying a primary residence is the first step into real estate. It's a monumental milestone that signifies stability and personal achievement. It's more than just a place to live, it's an investment in your future. Owning a home can provide a sense of security and belonging. Building equity, enjoying tax benefits, and customizing your living space are just a few perks. You have the freedom to make it truly yours. Before you start house hunting, get your finances in order. This step is crucial to avoid future financial stress. Determine your budget, secure pre-approval for a mortgage, and factor in additional costs, like closing costs, property taxes, and potential repairs. These expenses can add up quickly. When selecting a property, think long-term. Consider how your needs might change over the years. Consider factors like location, neighborhood amenities, and potential for appreciation. A good location can significantly impact your property's value. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers and shop around for the best mortgage rates. Every bit of savings counts. Remember, buying a home is a significant financial decision. Take your time to understand the market. Thorough research and careful planning are key to making a sound investment. Your future self will thank you for the diligence you put in today. Section 5. The rent game. Becoming a landlord. Becoming a landlord can be a lucrative path to passive income and long-term wealth. By owning rental properties, you collect rent payments that exceed your mortgage and expenses, generating cash flow. However, being a landlord requires dedication and effort. You'll be responsible for property maintenance, tenant screening, and handling any issues that arise. It's essential to understand the responsibilities and challenges involved before diving in. Thorough market research is crucial. Identify areas with high rental demand and analyze rental rates to ensure profitability. Networking with other landlords and real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and support. While being a landlord requires work, the potential rewards make it an attractive option for many investors. Section 6. REITs and crowdfunding, passive income potential. Looking for a more hands-off approach to real estate investing? REITs, or real estate investment trusts, and crowdfunding platforms offer passive income potential without the responsibilities of direct property ownership. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, such as shopping malls, apartment buildings, or office spaces. By investing in REITs, you're essentially buying shares of these properties and receiving dividends from their rental income. Crowdfunding platforms connect investors with real estate developers seeking funding for projects. You can invest in specific properties or projects and potentially earn returns based on rental income or property appreciation. These options provide diversification and accessibility, making them suitable for investors with varying budgets and risk tolerances. Section 7. Tech to the rescue. How technology simplifies investing. Technology has revolutionized the real estate industry, making it easier than ever for millennials to navigate the market and make informed decisions. Online platforms and digital tools provide access to a wealth of information and resources. Property search websites and mobile apps offer comprehensive listings, virtual tours, and neighborhood data. You can filter properties based on your criteria, compare prices, and research neighborhoods with ease. Mortgage calculators and financial planning tools help you assess affordability and plan your finances. Social media and online forums provide platforms to connect with other investors, real estate agents, and industry experts. Embrace these technological advancements to streamline your research, connect with professionals, and stay ahead of the curve. Knowledge is power, especially in real estate. Thorough market research is essential for identifying lucrative opportunities and minimizing risks. Start by understanding the local market dynamics. Analyze property values, rental rates, and market trends in your target area. Identify areas with high demand, potential for appreciation, and favorable rental yields. Pay attention to economic indicators, job growth, and infrastructure developments that can impact property values. Utilize online resources, attend real estate seminars, and network with local experts to gain insights. The more you understand the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Real estate investing requires careful financial planning. Before you start, assess your current financial situation, determine your investment budget, and explore financing options. Create a realistic budget that includes your income, expenses, and savings goals. Factor in all costs associated with real estate investing, including down payments, closing costs, mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and potential repairs. Explore different mortgage options and shop around for the best rates and terms. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a comprehensive investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Countless millennials are already achieving remarkable success in real estate, proving that age is no barrier to building wealth. Their stories are inspiring and offer valuable lessons for aspiring investors. Take, for instance, Sarah, a young professional who purchased her first rental property at 25. Through careful planning and market research, she built a portfolio of rental properties, generating passive income and achieving financial freedom. Then there's John, who leveraged technology and social media to build a successful real estate brokerage, connecting investors with off-market properties and guiding them through the investment process. These stories highlight the diverse paths to success in real estate. By learning from others' experiences, networking with like-minded individuals, and seeking mentorship, you too can achieve your real estate investment goals. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards unlocking the exciting world of real estate investing. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your decision. Remember, the journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Each obstacle you overcome will bring you closer to your goals. Be patient, persistent, and never stop learning. Continuous education is key to staying ahead in this dynamic field. The real estate market is constantly evolving, so stay informed about market trends, new technologies, and investment strategies. Adaptability is crucial for success. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, fellow investors, and real estate professionals. Their insights and experiences can be invaluable. Attend industry events, join online communities, and seek guidance from experienced individuals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. Embrace the power of technology to streamline your research, connect with others, and stay ahead of the game. Most importantly, take action. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually build your real estate portfolio over time. Each investment is a step towards your financial goals. The potential for long-term wealth creation and financial freedom is within your reach. Stay focused and committed. Your real estate journey starts now. Embrace the adventure and make the most of every opportunity.